This is a final video to fix DaVinci Resolve unable to import project files. And if your projects won't load, let me ask you, are you trying to open or import project in DaVinci Resolve and it fails, shows errors, or does not respond? This problem usually happens because project files are corrupted, software preferences conflict, or system components block proper access. Sometimes GPU drivers, recent updates, or antivirus also trigger the issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky reinstalls, complicated folder edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not open the project. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact project path cache and system configuration that causes DaVinci Resolve to fail importing projects. This works because it restores proper project access and file recognition. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows PCs. Once you apply it, projects import normally, edits are accessible, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If DaVinci Resolve unable to import project files is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.